So just a quick, how's it guys, welcome back. This is just a quick update on number 27, the Henna Red 333. The body's starting to take shape nicely. We're getting to some welding work. So the battery tray has been taken off already from another vehicle, and we're getting ready to put that on, but she's starting to look good. So she's gonna follow the same route as number 26. Here's the problem areas here of the firewall. We're sorting that out. The cell has been sorted out, so it's got to be welded in properly. It's stacked all the way. So we're gonna get that welded in properly. Just get the rest of the car done. Then she'll join the rest of the other vehicles on the rotisserie, which will make life much easier. Guys, like, subscribe and share the channel, and stay tuned for the next episode where I'll be able to update you quite more than I have currently done now on number 27. Cheers.